Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Are you wondering how to blur video background in CapCut? Here's a tutorial for you. Let's get to it. Alright, after you import the video that you want to blur the background, you have to click effect option. Click effect option and then there will be some option for you and you have to click video effect. And after that you have to search for blur effect, right? Blur, and then there will be a lot of option for you and I'll go with this one, and we can go back to our video. All right, and we can adjust the length like this. Okay, and then after you put the effect blur on your video, press overlay option. Oh, I'm sorry. You just have to press overlay and then click overlay. All right. And then you have to choose the same video with video that you have imported before. Okay, choose the same video. Okay, wait a moment guys, I'm looking for the video. Okay, it's right here, and after that you can click add. Okay, click add and wait, and make sure that the second video has the same size with the previous video. Okay, I think the size has been same. And then wait, you have to find cut out option. Oh, I'm sorry, find the cut out option. It's right here. Click on it and choose remove background. Remove background. Alright, and then the background has been removed. And okay guys, the video background has been blurred. Alright, so that's the tutorial from me guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.